We are having a heavy duty snow right now. It is just dumping down on us. It's been kind of lightly snowing for the last 8 hours or so, and now all of a sudden it just seems like it's opened up and just coming down in these huge chunky flakes. Yeah, we're gonna get some snow today and tonight, I'd say. Wow, it is really coming down now. Woof! Oh my God. It's just about 4 o'clock, so it's kind of getting dusky, so it's hard to see, so I'm shining this flashlight so you can get a better idea of what's coming down here. You got ice crystals. Oh wow, yeah. Moose tracks. And the house, which is nice and cozy at the moment. So, yeah. Major snowstorm, December 2021, here at the cabin.